In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a Trello board, which is an essential task for maintaining efficient project management. Whether you're cleaning up your board or ensuring that the right people have access to your projects, managing members effectively is key. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to Trello.com using your favorite web browser. This is your gateway to accessing all your boards and projects. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page and click on Log In. This will bring you to the login page. Now you have two options to log in. You can either use your email address, or if you prefer a quicker method, you can log in using your Google account. Just select the option that works best for you and go ahead and log in. Don't forget to have your login credentials ready if you're using your email address. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. Here, head over to the board section. It's typically visible right on the top of your homepage interface. This is where all your boards are listed, and you can easily find the one you need to work on. The next step is to navigate to the Your Workspaces section. This area holds all the boards associated with your different workspace projects. Look through the list and click on the board from which you want to remove a member. It should open up, showing you all the current lists and cards on that board. Now look towards the top of the board interface and find the Share button. Clicking on this button opens the sharing menu, which is where you can manage the members of your board. From the sharing menu, you'll see a list of current members. Click on the specific member you want to remove. This action will bring up more options for that particular member. Select the option Remove from Board when you see it. This will bring up a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove this person. To finalize the process, simply click on Remove. This action will successfully remove the member from your board, ensuring they no longer have access to its contents. Once you've completed the removal, you can go ahead and close the menu. This will take you back to the main board view so you can continue working on your project without any interruptions. And there you have it. Removing a member from a Trello board is as straightforward as that. By managing your board's membership effectively, you can ensure that only the necessary team members have access to critical project information. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using Trello and other project management tools efficiently. Thanks for tuning in.